Today we're going to be building a compact PC case for one of our office workers. We're going to be using the new FSP CMT 260 PC case. Let's take a look at the parts list. Here you can see that I'm using the AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU, installing it on the ASRock B450 Steel Legend motherboard. The AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU also comes with its own cooler, but we decided to go with the FSP WINDALE 401 CPU cooler just to give it a little bit more cooling power. We're going to be using the G.SKILL RIPJAWS 5 16GB dual kit setup for this build. Let's take a look at how cool this setup looks so far. Now, installing the motherboard was a breeze. The only problem was trying to get all the ports to line up with the plate. Some of the newer motherboards come with the plate mounted on the motherboard, which makes installing a whole lot easier, but this motherboard came with the plate separate, so we had to install it separately. I always enjoy peeling laminate off of these new graphics cards. The red fans aren't too bad here either. We also used the 550 watt FSP Hyper M85 Plus power supply for this build. The power supply has to be side loaded from the back on the CMT260 case. Most of the FSP cases come with mounting brackets for the PSU to be loaded from the rear, but this one doesn't. And now here's the finished build.